You have to have this pen kind of vertical to get proper lines, or else it gets scratchy. So if I do this and I'm comparing to this, you can really see the difference. Shiny. We have the bullet nib, and then we have the brush nib. This nib is a lot harder than the other brush pen that we had earlier, the Stabilo pen. So it allows for a lot more detail work. I wrote the day wrong. Whoopsie. Next up we have just a brush sign pen. It doesn't really say the brand, and it's really hard to read. Pentel. It's Pentel. Okay, this pen is nice, super nice. It has a really flexible nib. So when I draw with it, let's see, you can see that it's flexing, right? But it's not super soft. Which allows for thin lines and thick lines. It kind of tricked me with a glittery outside. I thought it was gonna be a glitter pen, but it's not. And then the next supply was this ruler, which was again the M&R brand. Same as the sharpener. This is the object that I saw in the first week that I hid from you guys. So I knew it was coming. I like it though. It's like really flexible, but not too flexible. Well, let's test it actually. Here we have Stabilo, again, at 0.88, and it's a fine point, and it's a 0.4. Yes, it's a gray. This one appears to be a calligraphy metallic color in purple, and it has two nibs. It has a small flat nib, and then we have a larger flat nib. Violet, it says. It says it's supposed to be metallic, but it doesn't shine a lot. At least not on this paper. Like a tiny little bit, maybe. But not really. And then lastly but not least, we have an eraser. Tombow mono eraser. Unfortunately, this isn't something I will be able to use this week. I should have had it last week. So here we have it, guys. It looks like the glitter pen, once again, has gone through to the other side. But other than that, I think we're safe with the other supplies, or at least in one layer. I don't think I layered anything. Time will tell in the final illustration. Oh, yeah, look at this paper. The first one isn't as bad. It's just like... I'm gonna test this out on the pens. No. Yeah, it doesn't work on any of the pens, which means I'll put this aside for now, and I'll get back to this later, in the very last video. messing up his hair, so I think I'll make this hair black. Simple and easy. I smudged the pen a little bit. Clearly it needs time to dry. I'm gonna try half of that. Ooh, that's cute. Purple show. Actually, it will. That opens up a lot of possibilities. It looks like it's gonna fit, but it just pops right out. It's annoying. This pen doesn't really work well for coloring in stuff. I feel like it would be more for decorative stuff and just line art maybe. I fucked up on the smoke. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look like smoke. But I mean, not smoke, but the what it called? It is called. Oh my god! What's the word? Steam? Steam! From the cup. Damn, this thing is opaque. It just goes right over the black. This one isn't quite as opaque as the purple one. And it's gonna take a while. Oh, it picks up the black and drags it with it. The purple one didn't do that. Okay, I gotta test this first. That's gonna be impossible to blend perfectly. But yeah. It's kind of hard to avoid the smoke thing. I mean, it definitely destroyed the paper a little bit. This eraser actually did something. Because it hadn't dried yet. The smoke is getting lost in this. I should have had a white pen. Maybe it would be better to have it black. And the paper is really buckling. Yeah, I don't really have time for more, and I don't like it very much, but here it is. The shine, oh lord. So, my verdict here is, it buckled a lot under the glitter pen, as usual. And, yeah, the glitter pen did go through, as well as some of the purple did as well, I think. Yeah, some of the purple. And actually a tiny bit of the black. Just a dash. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, as they say.